Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the expansion of gases. That whenever the highly compressed gases are expand, so this produces coolness. So this will result in the decrease of temperature. Students, we have a highly compressed gas in which the molecules are very close to each other. So we know that whenever we will apply the pressure on the gas molecules becomes closer. So when the gas molecules becomes closer, so the intermolecular forces between the gas molecules become dominant. It will produce the intermolecular forces between the gas molecules. Now we want to expand this highly compressed gas. So whenever we will expand this highly compressed gas, so in this way the gas molecules will move far away. So this will decrease the temperature of the gas molecules. Now we are going to study that why the expansion of gases will decrease the temperature of the gas molecules. So students, we know that whenever we will increase the pressure on the gas molecules, so it will produce the intermolecular forces between the gas molecules. So whenever we will expand this gas, so the expansion of gases means we want to move the gas molecules far away. So in order to move the gas molecules far away, we need energy to overcome this intermolecular force which is present between the gas molecules. So the gas which is highly compressed gas. Now, so whenever we will expand this gas, the intermolecular forces which has been produced between the gas molecules, we have to decrease this intermolecular force. We have to break this intermolecular force. So in order to break this intermolecular force, to move the gas molecules away, so we need energy to overcome this intermolecular force. So the molecules will use their own energy to overcome this intermolecular force. So as a result, this intermolecular force will break and the molecules will move far away. So in this way, the molecules has used their energy to break this intermolecular force, and we can say the molecules have used their energy. In this way, their energy will decrease. So this decrease in energy of the gas molecules will result in the reduction of temperature of the gas. So we can say that the expansion of gases causes cooling, and this law, so this principle is also known as Joule-Thomson effect.